Okay, so this is the tutorial for the suite from Once I Was an Eagle, which is in DADDAD. The easy version is in DADDAD. I also have this guitar ready. This is in CGCGGE, and I haven't played it in that tuning for a little while when I played it live, because it's not always a great thing to put your guitar through that, but and also I can't really use it for any other tunings, so any other songs in the set. So I'll show you that later on. I'll show you that very briefly. That's the harder version, but I'll show you the easy version to start with. So the first 4 songs of Once I Was an Eagle are Take the Night Off, I Was an Eagle, You Know, and Breathe, and they were all written together. They were supposed to be one long song, and I start my sets, when I play solo, I start with them because it's very, gets us all in the right mood. So you start by hammering on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and moving up to the 4th fret, and that's it. Taking it off, 2nd fret, 4th fret, down. And I am strumming at this point, not full fingered, I guess. I'm aiming to hit the inner knuckle of my thumb, drawing on my hand. You are using that to sort of pull out the right melodic note. You should be gone, beast. Be gone from me. Be gone from my mind, at least. Let a little lady be. I don't want you to want me, etc. And then you get to the take the night off and be back for me. So you're just adding on the octave, the higher octave, because those are both A strings. So you're just filling out the sound of it. Take it right off. And occasionally you might go up to the 5th fret if you feel like adding something fun. Be back for me. And then you're into the take-off, or the run-up. There's kind of the running theme between all of these songs. So you're taking that 2 octaves, and you're doing the 2nd, 4th, 7th, 9th. Sorry, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 9th, 10th, 12th, 14th. You can work that out by ear. You don't need to know the fret numbers, but I never asked you to save me, not when you knew me well. That's the entirety of Take the Night Off. And then you do a couple of runs up the neck, and then a couple of open strums, and then you're into the next section, which is called I Was an Eagle. So your grandmother sounds to me, a woman I would be proud to be, and you say she reminds you of me. So you're on the 5th fret. You could easily, it doesn't matter because they're the same note, but you just have an octave, like 5 blank blank 5. Every little boy is so naive, no. Then you're back to the same chords as Take the Night Off. You're doing this thing, I think I did it in another tutorial, you're taking most of the rhythm from taking your fingers off the fret between, you're making rhythm by taking your fingers off the fret. I will not be a victim of romance. I will not be a victim of circumstance. Chance or circumstance, or romance, or any man who can get his dirty little hands on me. No, no. So your grandfather sounds like me. See, back to the verse. And then there's this sort of next section, which is so 14, 11, 9, 7, nothing on the top high octaves of D. When we were in love, if we were, when we were in love, you were a dove and I rose above you and prayed. So you just, that section is just a bar across the 5th fret and then hammering on the 7th fret 5th string. I was like, and you were a dove. Strings, the A octaves, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and then you take off the top octave. I do a little whip up the fret, and then down to the D strings, 4th, 2nd. Damn all those people who don't lose control, who will never take a foot out of life. You might not care what I think, but you don't know what I know. Damn all those hippies who stomp empty phrases upon all that's good and all that's pure of the world. You might not think that I care, but you don't know what I know. And then you're up to, give me a minute there, give me just a minute now. It'll come back to me. I was so sure that you freewheeling troubadour, you took my mind off the scene. So that's just, oh, you're on the high D octaves, because this is of course a palindromic tuning. High D on the 11th fret and then 12th fret, and you're putting in your fun wobble. Give me a minute there, just a minute now, it'll come back to me. And into the next verse. You asked me blind once if I was a child once, and I said I'm really not sure. How can you know all it is you don't know? We were a pair once of so much despair. Oh, we were a child then, I'm sure. If we were a child then we are children no more. Just a minute now. And you know, and I know that you know. So again, was just without the octaves, the same as the verse. You know, and I know that you know. And then you're reversing the rundown to get into the last section of the song. So you're starting on the 12th fret. You're going 12, 13, 9, 7, 5, 4, 2, nothing. 12, 11, 12, 11, 9, 7, 5, 4, 2, nothing. You've come here to tell me something I already know. So the verses just follow that shape as well, and then you again you're using your inner thumb knuckle to pick out those notes, which are 6 on the whatever of these 2 Ds you want to play them on. That's the 4th string, I guess. 6 4 6 7 6 4 9 7. Let me sort of click it off. Lots of constant banging, throwing fists against the wall, screaming at the earth for what it's done to one and all. I must breathe. Everything else. You're getting the whole guitar is very resonant at this point, so you need something to fly over the top. How cruel I am to you. So that's 4 to nothing. Bottom string, so 5th string. Oh, cruel things I do. And then into the very last section. So that's 7 on the top D octaves. 7 9 6 7. When you wake, you'll know I'm gone. Where I'm going, don't follow me, whatever you may see. And you end the song with a rundown. And there you have it. I rushed that slightly because I don't want to keep you for too long, and I want to show you this on the seat in this tuning. So it is very difficult to keep this tuning in tune because guitars aren't used to it, and it's so low that you know, it's harder to tune things when they're very low. So this is obviously really a tone down from that guitar anyway, because you're now C G C G G E. So it's basically the same, because of course you have the same octave available on these two strings, but this string is very different. And with that string, the only real difference that it makes is when you're in pass me a glass and half-smoked cigarette. I damn near got no dignity left. I damn near got no dignity left. No, I will not be a victim of romance. I will not be a victim of circumstance. Chance or circumstance. Anyway, blah 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 blah. So it's just so much more interesting, I think, just to the ear. Whereas on the other guitar, it's just an octave. When we were in love, if we were, when we were in love, you were a dove and I rose above you. That's the first bit where you would encounter a difference in how you play it, and then the next bit would be breathe. So originally, I remember that I used to sort of get that. Sort of like Middle Eastern sounding. Breathe. slightly more melodic and interesting than just octaves. When you wake, you know I'm going. Where I'm going, there's no one, so don't follow me. Whatever you may hear or see, don't follow. Okay, that's a big beast, a pair of big beasts to get your teeth into. So let me know how you get on with them, send me your progress as usual. And I hope you're okay.